Welcome back to the channel Future CMAs. I hope your preparations are going smooth and efficiently at this right moment of time. So I'll take very small amount of time from you. I'll keep this video very short and crisp. Yesterday evening, the institute has released the admit cards. If at all you have not gone through the admit cards, not downloaded the admit card yet, please do download the admit card as soon as possible. Check the exam center. Go visit the exam center one day before the exam. Physically go and visit it. Make sure that there is no remarks in your admit cards. If there is any remarks, get it rectified immediately with ICMA's institute. And along with the admit card, they also have released the instructions for examination, which is usual for every single attempt. They'll release the instructions, but what is so special this time, sir, is we along with the instructions have this time the institute have listened to the long awaited question, long awaited problem from the CMA community, that the MCQs must not be mentioned in the answer sheet, rather will give a OMR. And this time institute has listened to us. They have given a OMR, new OMR pattern this time for December 2024, both for your CMA Inter and CMA final level, where the MCQs will now not be mentioned in the answer sheet, will be actually bubbled in a OMR sheet, where your OMR sheet is divided into two categories, guys. The first part, I hope this is visible. This is not that, this is a little pixelated. This is from the ICMA's institute. So get this properly. The part A talks about all the particulars, the details of you as a student, your roll number, your subject name, group name, your roll number in words, your subject code, the language, either English or Hindi, the basic particulars of you as a student. Then part B comes in, where the part B covers the bubbling, the OMR for MCQs. So the first thing you have to get clear is the MCQ answers, if at all now are written in the answer sheet, will not be evaluated. Those will be evaluated only when they are bubbled in the OMR sheet, and the OMR sheet we have to bubble one for each answer, one of the option, not all of them, as you guys know about it. And there is no negative marking as usual, but the answer will be evaluated only when it is bubbled in the answer sheet, and it can be bubbled either in a black pen or a blue pen, black ballpoint pen or a blue ballpoint pen. Share this with as many people as possible, your CMA Inter or CMA final students. Share this with all of them. The bubbling will be important now, because people might in habituated process might go right into the answer sheet, which will not be evaluated this time. It will be evaluated only when it is bubbled in the OMR sheet. And while going to the exam, please do carry your admit card with you. Along with the admit card, carry any kind of identification proving that you are the actual student, either the ICMA student ID card or any other identification, Aadhaar card, your passport or your driving license can be carried. So make sure that these bubblings are done properly, and the dilemma we had that justification should or should not be written is completely solved by this new information from ICMA. There's no justification required anymore. Simply bubble the OMR, you will be awarded 2 marks for this. So I hope this information was helpful for you. Please share it with all your friends and all your seniors or juniors CMA writing CMA Inter or final. We'll meet you on the other side of the process. Be confident. There is very few days left in the exam. Be very confident. Be focused on the exams. Make sure that you are writing 100%. 100% is written. You are giving your 100% when you go to the exam hall. Thank you, guys.